Hi everyone and welcome. In a previous part of the lab, we joined our vCenter server to Active Directory. Now what we're going to do is configure our system so we can actually use the Active Directory users and groups and such to be able to assign rights and permissions. System's now rebooted and I've logged back on the vCenter. I'm going to go back to the administration menu and I'm going to select configuration once again. If we look at the Active Directory domain, we can see that we've actually joined the domain, but I still can't do anything by default with any of the users and groups that are part of the AD domain. In order to do that, I have to add Active Directory as an identity source. Select identity sources, we can see that there is the system domain vSphere.local, which automatically gets created, and then the local OS. To add an identity source for Active Directory, I just click on Add Identity Source. The default is Active Directory Windows Integrated Authentication, which is the one we want. We have vclass.local as the name of the domain. That's also what we want. The only thing that I need to do with this is click on Add. And we can now see that the AD domain is added on as an identity source, and that means that we can use users and groups within Active Directory to assign permissions. And let's take a quick look at that while we're here. I'm going to select users and groups. Once I'm in users and groups, I can select to view users or groups from either the local OS, meaning the Linuxy kernel. I can also choose from vSphere.local or vclass.local, which is my AD domain. If I select that, we can see the users and groups that are part of the AD domain. So here's our administrator user, for example, which we are logged on with our remote desktop session into our management system. And that is a wrap for the video. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.